janitor. I'm doing a video blog. Do you mind if I ask you a few questions? I won't take too much of your time. Comes to, well, you're married, right?
No.
No, you're married. Okay. When it comes to dating someone, did credit ever matter to you?
Yes.
It did. Why is that?
I don't want anybody with a bad credit rating.
So I take it you have good credit, right? You've been having good credit for a long time.
Yeah.
Right.
I hold my own.
Great. That's good. Awesome. Good for you. So let me ask you this question: how has having a good credit score has helped you over the years?
Well, I don't really check on my scores and stuff. I'm just conservative as how I spend. I don't bite more than I can chew.
That's awesome. That's very, very smart. And who taught you about credit? Was it maybe your family? Maybe just stuff you learned on your own?
No, they just taught me how to budget and how to live according to what I have.
That's awesome. So you never used credit as a means to make a living, like a lot of people do.
No, I have a credit card with my credit union, but I use that as me personally. I don't know if other folks do that. I pay it off every month.
That's awesome.
So
as
I
you
don't
should.
have to carry a lot of cash.
Yeah, great. So what advice would you give someone that is suffering with bad credit? Tough question.
Be reasonable when you're gonna. I don't know how to fix it, but as far as not getting into it, when you're gonna get something, do you need it? Really, really need it, or do you just want it?
Because you have a card and it's easy swiping.
Right.
I understand. Ma'am, well, thank you so much for your time. Your answers were incredible. And you don't mind if we put this on YouTube, right? You're okay with that?
Oh, we on YouTube? Okay.
You can follow me there and you go ahead and check yourself out on YouTube.
I could have looked cuter,
Oh, you look beautiful, ma'am. Don't worry about it. The
Okay.
pink goes well with you. Enjoy the rest of the day, okay, ma'am? Thank you so
Thank you.
much.